Hey guys, thanks so much for clicking on this video. As you can see by the title and my face and kind of my outfit, we're going 90s today. This is a look that I like to do pretty much all the time. It's fairly natural and there isn't really too much going on. Like the eyes, I have one shadow on my eye, have one blush, I don't have bronzer, and a lip. That's basically it. The 90s were super simple from what I could tell from looking at pictures and watching shows from the 90s. I was born in 97, so obviously like I grew up throughout the 2000s and I wouldn't know what 90s makeup would look like or anything like that, or like the fashion trends. Considering we live in 2019, we have the internet available to us. It's where I got inspiration for this look. Like I said, I do this pretty often. If you guys want to see how I do this look, then go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, so I actually have all of the makeup that I'm going to be needing in this bag here. I got this as a gift from my aunt one year, I think for Christmas, and it literally fits my entire face and everything that I need. It even fits my freaking Jaclyn Hill palette. Like this big palette, like even that fits in there. I just wanted to show you guys because I think it's really cool. I'm pretty sure she got this at Target because she likes to go to Target. So there are a few trends that were pretty popular in the 90s. One of them being matte skin. So I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Superstay foundation and just applying that all over my face with a brush. Back when I was on campus, I would always rock this look just because I feel like it's pretty natural for the most part. I've noticed just from like looking at pictures and stuff that the people like who wore makeup in the 90s, it didn't look like it was particularly like full coverage or anything like that. I'm sure there was, just from watching like TV shows in the 90s and looking at pictures, it seemed like no one really had a ton of face makeup on. Also, excuse my hair because it's just so hot and I wanted to put it up. I'm actually going to take a tiny bit more foundation and kind of just dot the tiniest bit on my eyes because I just don't feel like using concealer today. Next, I'm going to be setting my face with this powder. So now I'm going to do the brows, and I feel like we all know that they went super skinny. I'd say I have pretty thin eyebrows. They're not super thick or anything like that, so I'm just going to darken them a bit. Now that the brows are done, I'm going to just skip the rest of the face for now, and I'm going to go in to the eyes. So for this look, I'm just going to be using a brown eyeshadow. It really doesn't matter what brown eyeshadow it is. I'm going to go in with this shade here. It's a pretty neutral brown. This is going to be the only color that we're going to be putting on our eyes, really. Everything from what I've seen like in pictures, the popular colors to wear were like smoky grays or browns. So I like to go in with a more brown shade. And then I'm going to be taking this color underneath my lash line too. I like to give myself a tiny bit more dimension than this, like particularly around the eyelashes. So I'm actually going to dip into a darker brown, more cool tone brown this time, just on the edge or the tip of the brush, and kind of just pat it along the lash line and sweep it a tiny bit. And then just a tiny bit also on the lower lash line. Now I'm going to line my upper lash line with eyeliner. I'm not doing a wing or anything, I'm just lining it. I suck so bad at eyeliner, guys. And I'm not lying. We're gonna go back to the face, and this time I'm going to add blush. I'm going to be adding a mix of these two colors here. One's like a lighter bronze and then another one is like a true bronze. I'm taking that on a fluffy brush, and I'm going to be focusing this more right on the apples of my cheeks, so like right in here. And really that's it for the face. I'm not going to be putting on any bronzer or highlight because I still want the face to be matte. For the lips, you can do a couple things. In the 90s, the brown lip was really popular, and so were dark reds and like wine colors and everything like that. I'm going to line my lips with MAC's Whirl Lip Pencil. And I'm also going to be filling in my lips too, just so that we have a nice base color for the lipstick that I'm going to go into. So the shade that I'm actually going to go into is this Rajah shade from the Aladdin collection from MAC. It's just like this pretty red berry color, and I think it would be perfect for this to kind of stamp it on. And then mix it together with the lip liner. This is a matte finish. But yeah guys, this was my 90s inspired makeup look. If you guys liked what I did, then go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and then also subscribe to my channel. That's it. If you want to follow me on Twitter, go ahead and do that. I'm most active on there instead of my Instagram, but you can follow me on both too. All of that will be listed in the description box. You guys have an awesome day and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!